Namaste. Hope everybody is doing good. Today I'm going to talk about how to move from one choice to another. See, in life we make plenty of choices every day. Some choices are refreshing and we want to continue with them. Some are diminishing our light. They are not good for us. But we made those choices out of any which reason you can name, because of impulsiveness or wounding or whatever. So there are steps to make better choices. For example, if I have chosen a diet plan, which I thought initially was good for me, but now as I am experiencing that diet plan, I feel that's not really what I need. It doesn't suit my needs, my time, my body, so I need to change it. So, abruptly leaving a plan, a relationship, a choice is not suggested because when we have made a choice and we have not completely experienced it fully and rejected it, till that time we will have a guilt in our mind and heart that, oh, I wish I would have continued. It happens with the relationships also. It happens with jobs also, situations. It happens with countries as well. Like you're staying at a place, now you want to move away from that place. Don't impulsively escape your problems. Don't try to escape the situation. Rather, stay present, see what is holding you back, what is not letting you move forward, fully and completely immerse in that experience, negative and positive. And then when time comes, I would highly recommend praying. When you are in a situation and you don't want to continue that situation, continue living in that situation, pray, 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 pray. Help comes and wait for the divine timing. Because if we leave the situation halfway, that is escapism. We never know that maybe you are running away from that situation out of ego or impulsiveness or fear. So just stay in that situation. Whatever choice you have made in the present moment, experience it fully and completely. And then when it is time, help would come because you have already prayed for it. Prayers never go unanswered. So, in the right time, help would come, and then you will be able to decide to move further, and you would not look back in regret because you fully have experienced what you chose. And then the next move would be freedom. You would not look back in regret or remorse. So, whenever there is a situation you are not able to handle, just don't try to run away from it. Be present, fully present, experience, and then let go, and then move into another direction.